Hello, and welcome to our video on the 4 main risks of using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from healthcare and transportation to education and entertainment. However, as with any new technology, there are also potential risks and dangers associated with the use of AI. In this video, we will explain 4 main risks of using artificial intelligence and how we can mitigate or manage these risks. One of the main risks of using artificial intelligence is the potential for biased algorithms. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if the data is biased, the AI system will also be biased. This can lead to biased decisions being made by AI systems, which can have serious consequences for individuals and society as a whole. For example, if an AI system is used to make hiring decisions and the data it is trained on is biased towards certain groups, it may perpetuate and even amplify existing biases in the hiring process. To mitigate this risk, it is important to ensure that the data used to train AI systems is diverse and representative of the population it will be used on. Another risk of using artificial intelligence is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become more advanced and able to perform a wider range of tasks, there is a risk that they may replace human workers in certain industries. This can lead to job loss and economic disruption, particularly for workers in low-skilled jobs. To mitigate this risk, it is important to ensure that workers are provided with the necessary training and support to transition to new roles and industries. It is also important to consider the social and economic impacts of AI adoption and to consider strategies for mitigating any negative impacts on workers. A third risk of using artificial intelligence is the potential for misuse or abuse. AI systems can be used for malicious purposes, such as spreading misinformation or creating fake news. In addition, AI systems may be used to monitor and track individuals without their consent, leading to privacy concerns. To mitigate these risks, it is important to have clear guidelines and regulations in place for the use of AI, as well as mechanisms for holding individuals and organizations accountable for any misuse or abuse of AI systems. Finally, a fourth risk of using artificial intelligence is the potential for unexpected or unintended consequences. As AI systems become more complex and are used in a wider range of applications, it becomes increasingly difficult to predict all of the possible outcomes and impacts of their use. This can lead to unintended consequences, such as AI systems making decisions that are not in line with human values or goals. To mitigate this risk, it is important to carefully consider the potential consequences of using AI systems and to have measures in place to manage any negative outcomes. In conclusion, the use of artificial intelligence carries with it a number of risks and dangers. However, by being aware of these risks and taking steps to mitigate them, we can ensure that the benefits of AI are realized while minimizing any negative impacts. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest developments in artificial intelligence.